Introducing the 13-amp 1600 PSI electric pressure washer from Greenworks Tools. With the 13-amp universal motor, harness the cleaning power of water at 1,500 pounds per square inch and at a flow rate of 1.2 gallons per minute. With the Quick Connect nozzles, easily and conveniently switch between the 25 and 40 degree tips in no time. Clean all around the house thanks to the 35-foot long GFCI electric cable. Operate the washer in either the vertical or horizontal position. Fill the detergent tank with soap formulated for pressure washers to wash away tough stains and dirt. And the 20-foot reinforced non-marring hose prevents wear and tear while leaving no scuff marks on cleaned surfaces. The compact and lightweight design makes the 1600 PSI pressure washer conveniently portable. With a 1-year warranty and Pressure Washer Manufacturers Association certification, the 13-amp 1600 PSI pressure washer from Greenworks Tools promises to deliver where and when it counts. Greenworks Tools. Life gets easier.
Simpson Cleaning PS3228 PowerShot Gas Pressure Washer powered by Honda GX200, 3300 SI at 2.5 GPM, black. Honda GX200 engine with oil alert provides powerful clean for years, includes 3-year engine warranty. AAA Industrial Triplex Plunger Pump with Power Boost technology provides consistent water flow and pump bypass mode for pump protection. 5/16 inches x 25 feet. Moreflex hose is non-marring, kink and abrasion resistant, and equipped with threaded fittings. Welded steel construction frame and 10 premium pneumatic wheels for easy transport, setup and load. 5 Quick Connect nozzle tips, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees and soap. Commercial engine great for cleaning siding, driveways, fences, concrete pavement, painting prep, graffiti removal and mildew removal. All pressure washers are 100% functionally tested in factory and may contain minimum residual fuel oil or fuel odor. Pump hose connection threaded M22 connection. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.
Today we review Simpson Cleaning MSH3125 Megashot Gas Pressure Washer. The Megashot Pressure Washer from Simpson is a powerful unit that is ideal for tough cleaning jobs. It's powered by a powerful Honda GC190 residential engine that starts easy and highly reliable. This washer has great cleaning power and shoots water at 3,200 psi at 2.5 GPM. Check description link for more. Setting it up for first-time use also very easy. All you need to do is pour the engine oil in the container, add gas to the fuel tank, connect all the hoses, and you are ready to go. One pull of the lever is all it takes to start the powerful Honda engine. If you plan on cleaning decks or patios, this is the pressure washer for you. What do you get with a Simpson Cleaning MSH3125? Reliable Honda GC190 engine. 5 Quick Connect nozzles. 3,200 psi at 2.5 GPM. Maintenance-free axial cam pump. Long 25-foot flexible hose.
Whether it's a gas or an electric pressure washer that you're using, here's some tips to get the job done right. Keep your home looking great year-round with a pressure washer. They eliminate dirt and grime that your regular garden hose can't. Choose a nozzle and water pressure depending on the surface you're cleaning. A flat surface accessory can save you time and water while washing decks or patios. Use a cleaning solution to tackle mildew, or you can clean items like mowers or grills. Keep your pressure washer performing at its best.
Get set to do your dirty work with the Pressure Joe electric pressure washer. Packed with 1,800 watts of power, Pressure Joe delivers a mighty blast, up to 2,030 pounds per square inch, to demolish every bit of dirt. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Pump up to 1.76 gallons every minute to get really clean, really fast. Reach high, reach low. Pressure Joe's 34-inch extension wand goes where no garden hose has gone before. Control your spray with 5 quick connect nozzles. From intense jet to gentle spray, Pressure Joe makes light work of mildew, grease, oil, tar, mud, rust, and more. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Clean smart with Pressure Joe's built-in Total Stop system to save energy and prolong pump life. Mix it up with 2 onboard detergent tanks. Fill one with this, another one with that. Now you're ready to fight dirt. From porch to patio, siding, shutters, wooden decks, furniture and cars, Pressure Joe cleans them all. Weighing only 31 pounds, Pressure Joe wheels easily from one dirty job to the next. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. And every Pressure Joe is backed by a full 2-year warranty. For the extreme power and performance you demand, go with Joe. Pressure Joe from Sun Joe. Get equipped.